better than getting rained on. Oh my god! Umbrella's falling! You ran inside, you pussy! I can't hear the thunder because of this umbrella. Oh my god! It's fine, it's safe. Just get under an umbrella. Oh my god. There's gonna be one over there. Right over there, there's gonna be one. Why don't you grab that umbrella on the ground?
I mean, because I couldn't. I threw it away when like the lightning got too close. I hope Nick doesn't kill me for this.
Why?
Because he's like, you need to be careful, and I'm a big klutz, so.
Well, Dalton knows one way or another I'm gonna do it.
It's so fun! It's a little adventure.
God, it's like drenching out here.
I know, I've never seen rain.
It's like pouring off the umbrella. There is an electric computer right next to
At
us.
least it's not on. If it's not on, it's okay.
I know. You want to plug it in real quick?
No! You're fucking kidding me?
Go get the blow dryer. My hair's getting wet. Oh!
You know, this is getting dangerously close.
No!
And if we get electrocuted,
Do you see that house over there? Do you see that light coming out of it?
Yeah.
I wonder what that's all about. Oh, over there, what? Man, the clouds covered that one.
Damn!
These are getting nice.
They are.
Why is that umbrella? It was like spinning in a circle.
Dude, Somali, I've never seen it shower this much over in Colorado.
I know, look at it.
How are we gonna get back inside without getting drenched?
I don't know, I'm scared. I just did my hair. Watch this. Look at that umbrella. Look at how much rain.
It's on my back!
I'm sorry.
Look at the rain, how it looks when the lightning strikes.
I know, I wish the video would capture it.
Whoa.
Damn.
This is the calm before the storm. This isn't a storm, this is just warning.
I know. At least we don't have tornadoes like we always do.
Well, I think that's dangerously close. We gotta go. We gotta go.
It's fine.
No, it's not fine. We gotta go.
Men get struck 4 times more than women do anyways. Because God loves our boobs.
Before?
Yeah, it was. That's what's weirding me out. I don't know what it's from.
You know what's fucking awesome?
What?
If something struck your lightning, oh no, because it's...
That pole right there would be sick if it got struck.
Oh, we would better get back inside real fast. Dude, Somali, has that ever gotten struck by lightning? Did you know?
No.
And that means we're probably safe. Because that's exactly like an umbrella. Sort of.
Nothing in our backyard has been struck, not even like the play set or the playground or whatever. The swing set, there you go. And if that pole got struck, we'd be lucky because it would go right into the ground. Damn, do you hear that rain? Oh. This is beautiful.